program, numbers 9 and 10, you will see what it was before now. Before His Excellency now came on board and said we must renovate this place. And if you see what you are seeing now, it was not easy, but we did it. Here we have facilities. We don't used to have cars, trucks, but what we had here was only the foam, no instrument to work. But His Excellency has provided trucks and also provided accommodation where firemen can stay. We have a relaxed area. We have our control room. We have all the facility to combat fire. So, Your Excellency, the people of Borokiri said I should thank you.
What we are doing here today, honestly speaking, if it were when government used to be government, there was no need. I strongly believe there is no need for this advertisement. The purpose of government is to provide services. The purpose of government is to protect life and property. So when we are doing those things that we are elected for, and we now start showcasing it, sometimes it doesn't make any sense. But as it were, or when I say what the business has really turned to, is whatever you're doing now, you have to show the world so that they will know that you are really working. Some persons will commission borehole, some persons will commission all sorts of things, and they do advert for it. But for us, we have chosen to showcase to the world vital and most needed item of service provided as a government. What we are showcasing here today is one of the essentials of governance. Fire service station is a very important component in every system. Some days ago, we did unveil the headquarters, and today we are doing that of Borokiri. Borokiri is a section of the town, one of the densely populated area of Port Harcourt city. The essence of this fire service station here, the essence of rehabilitating this fire service station is to cater for the huge population that are living here. We had cases of fire from time to time, and we have never adequately responded to it. I strongly believe that after this minute, whatever that will happen, provided is within the power of this station, it will be combated adequately. I will leave the big talk to our special guest of honor, who happens to be an Aborigine. For those of you who understand what Aborigine is, he will come and talk to you. He understands and he knows about all the details that I might not be privileged to have. He will talk to you. Maybe speak the language that you might even understand. But the most important thing, we're happy that we're doing this for our people. We're happy with what we're seeing here, the excitement and joy in the faces of our people. It is the reason why we will continue to do more for our people. Let me on this note thank every one of you and humbly invite our special guest of honor, Chief Abiye Sekibo, to come talk to our people.
Let me say how very humbled I am that our dear governor had chosen me to do the commissioning of this project. Your Excellency, this project is more than just a structure. It is a reflection of purposeful leadership, a government that prioritizes the well-being and interest of its people. Your Excellency, thank you very much. I am proud and honored to play this role at this occasion. Quelqu'un peut ça reconnaître? Quelqu'un peut ça reconnaître? Omna toko bula o. Omna yarea. In a time, Your Excellency, when leadership is tested, when bold decisions are required for the progress of our people, this government has prioritized the interests of our people. And we all have a duty to stand with him. All Rivers people, no matter which part of Rivers they come from, this government carries our hopes and our future. And Your Excellency, we thank you for what you are doing. Mr. President, the dear President of Nigeria, our own President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, lend me your ears. We, the Rivers people, have always supported the government at the center. We have always worked with the government at the center. This government, Governor Siminalayi Fubara, has convinced Rivers people that they must stand with their president.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
And so we stand with you.
Yes, sir, we stand with you. 27 friends away.
There might be persons telling you stories, especially when they see people like me, who were called Atiku men. They will say, don't you see, it is Atiku people that are with the government. There are also Atiku people that are with them there in Abuja. But the governor has convinced us that the place to be is to be with our president.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. President will stand with you.
Yes, sir.
We stand with you because that is the right thing to do. The elections delivered you as our president, and so we stand with you. The elections delivered this governor, our son, for the first time in 24 years, the Ijaw nation, in more than 8 local governments of Rivers State, have an opportunity of having one of their own as the governor of this state. We stand with him. We have no choice. We stand with him. The work our governor has done in this state, in the short time he has been governor, shows that he prioritizes our interests and indeed cares for the unity of this nation. This governor, at a time when our funds are seized, he made sure that there was no problem in this state. He made sure that essential services continued. He didn't try to create problems for the federal government. Mr. President, support this governor. This governor is your ally. Support this governor. That is the right place to be. Standing by and working with Governor Sim Fubara is the right thing to do. And I urge you, Mr. President, to stand with Sim Fubara. My dear people, as we urge our president and the federal government to stand with our son, we all have a duty to rally around him and stand with him, no matter the thing that happens. Yes, sir. I know that many of you were demoralized by the Supreme Court judgment. But we are law-abiding citizens. The governor is a law-abiding citizen. And he has told us he will obey the ruling of the Supreme Court to the letter. All we can do is to stand with him and make sure that there is peace in this state. Back to what brought us here. Your Excellency, I was secretary to government in this state. This fire station existed. I must confess that what I'm seeing today is a state-of-the-art modern fire station. Thank you for your care and for your love. This is also an opportunity to expand the possibilities of work for our people. But when there are instruments to work with, you need people to use and drive these vehicles to fight the fires. And I'm sure that our governor will use as a point of reference to ensure that we have employment within the system that gives our youth something to do. Finally, Your Excellency, be rest assured of the support of all the well-meaning leaders of River State. They have asked me to let you know that come rain, come shine, we stand with you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
and I have to remind us, in the last but one elections, when the second term of your immediate predecessor was threatened, we the Rivers people, especially in Okrika local government area and Oko-Jumbo local government area, came out to dare the military. They came out to dare the military. Our women went naked to dare the military, to challenge the military, to make sure the results were not changed. My governor, go and sleep. For you, we will do more. For you, we will do more. For you, we will do more.
Honorable Joe, I am members of the National Assembly. What you are distinguished His Excellency Dr.
Fire Service Station, remodeled